Hey everybody, I just recorded for 15 minutes and I forgot to hit record. So that was amazing. Let's do this over again. Happy New Year, everybody. The end of 2025 is here and the beginning of 2026 is here. That was a horrible intro. Anyway, this video is just a thank you for everybody that has liked, followed, subscribed, and has stuck with me throughout the year or years and will stick with me for the next year as well and beyond. We spent a lot of time reviewing Matterport, teaching Matterport, reviewing editors, how to edit, photography, best ways to take photos, your settings. And 2026 is going to be a lot of updates on new settings, new camera, new equipment that I'm using for our company, as well as the new entries into the virtual tour world, Giraffe, Matterport Pros, using the Insta360 versus the Theta. Theta is still king. I don't know how their old camera is still kicking ass. Keep waiting for them to make a new version, but still expensive. But anyway, besides that, this next year I'm going to be more on point on the YouTube channel. I'm going to be following a schedule of reviewing AI editing, which companies are great, which companies are doing better, and which companies I use. And also going to be doing the Matterport, Giraffe reviews, and any other virtual tour companies that are coming out that we could all use. If you're a photographer not doing Matterport or any type of virtual tour, you should start. And if you are a person that's creating virtual tours but not doing any kind of photography, I also think you should start, as well as add drone and to everybody's repertoire. You should be able to provide everything as a media person. I know you might be thinking you don't need to do Matterport, but adding that, even having the ability to offer it, will increase your ROI, will increase your how much you charge per job. So this next year we're going to go over pricing, what I charge people, how long it takes me to do something, how long it takes somebody on the team to do something, drones, Matterports, Giraffes. So comment below, let me know what you need to learn, what you need help with in 2026. Is it growth? Is it learning how to use equipment? What kind of things are you looking for? I have my photography company, Agent 4M, is on its own track now. It's for the most part able to run itself. So I'm able to spend more time on YouTube, focus on teaching what I've learned, which is really what I love to do, is teach people, show people all the different things I have learned in my 10 plus years in real estate photography. I got a new webcam, so hopefully this looks a little bit better than my old M50 that I've been using. Hopefully the sound sounds good. I'll try to improve everything. I am not a web podcaster type guy that knows where the lighting should be. I haven't spent enough time to learn that. Maybe I should spend some more time so my videos turn out a little bit better, but it'll be more effort. If you guys have got this far, comment below. Let me know what you're interested in learning. I'm not going to edit this video. I'm just putting it out there as a thank you to everybody for following us, liking us, subscribing, and we'll be here next year. We're going to be reviewing all the real estate editor companies and the Matterport's Giraffe. We're going to do a big review on them. They have some really cool things coming out that you can create with the Giraffe camera. And I know a ton of people are waiting for the Matterport tutorial course that I was putting together. And believe me, I thought it was going to be easy to record these videos and then just post them. But putting them online so you guys have access to them is more of a pain in the ass than I had imagined. So once that gets out, I have to update it and get that basics course out there so everybody that wants to deep dive into things like Matterport can do that. I think that's everything I wanted to say. I'm not going to edit this video. I'm just going to put it out there. I appreciate you. Like, subscribe, comment below what things you're interested in learning in this next year. And hopefully I can help your businesses grow. And I will always be here to answer any questions. Comment below, send me an email. Try not to call me. A lot of you are calling me. I appreciate that, but I don't really have a lot of time because I end up spending a lot of time talking to you because I want to talk and explain details, but I've learned spending 30 minutes to an hour talking to somebody is not very productive for me. It might help you out, but for me, it's cutting a lot of time. So send me some emails, some texts, some DMs. I'll try to answer you, and usually I'll try to create a video from what your questions are so it'll help everybody and not just yourself. Have a great day. Appreciate you guys. See you next year, and be safe. Does that sound good? Be safe. Have a good day.